All right, we're here at the Mountain Laurel project, and we've got our garage doors going in today. This is one of the installers working on our one-car garage. He's getting the track put up, and as you can see, it goes right above the doorway on that side. And then over here is one of our trim carpenters. He's working on these doors. We've got a pair of sliding doors that are going on this storage closet at the back of this garage. And of course, this area up here at the top of the ceiling is where the garage door opener will be. It'll connect up here to this part of the door and come back across the ceiling and hang right there where that electrical outlet is. So that's our update on the garage doors.